There are features in your Kia that most people don't even realize are there. Some of them literally let the car move, think, and react on its own. And the crazy part? You're probably using only half of what your car can actually do. These are the 7 things your modern Kia can do that you didn't even know existed. And once you see them, you're going to start using your car very differently. Starting at number 7. Secret 7. Your Kia can control itself in traffic. You're stuck in traffic, moving forward, stopping, moving again, over and over. Your legs start getting tired, and that easy drive? Now it's frustrating. But in moments like this, your car can actually handle most of it for you. On highways and even in slow-moving traffic, your Kia handles the constant speed changes for you by adjusting smoothly, keeping distance, and even stopping and moving along with the traffic. This feature is called Smart Cruise Control, SCC, with Stop and Go. It takes away the pressure of non-stop braking and acceleration, making the whole drive feel more relaxed. Just keep the front sensors clean and clear, because that is what allows the system to read traffic properly and respond on the spot. Note that it only works best when lane markings are clearly visible and traffic movement is predictable, so you still stay alert and ready to take control whenever needed. It mainly depends on forward radar and cameras to calculate distance and speed of vehicles, and it constantly sends data to the car's control unit, which makes tiny throttle and braking adjustments multiple times every second to keep everything smooth. Because in heavy traffic, your car isn't just following the vehicle in front of it, it's calculating the surroundings and adapting to small changes, like it's one step ahead of everything happening around you. And if you think that's impressive, wait till you see what your Kia can do without you even touching it. Secret 6. Your Kia can control your car without touching it. You're walking towards your car without pressing anything, not even looking at the key, and still, something starts happening. The mirrors adjust, the doors unlock, and the car almost feels like it just recognized you. There's no button or no effort, just presence. You can start your car from far away and let the AC cool it down before you step in, which is perfect for hot days. And in some cars, you can even move it with the key, so parking in tight spots feels much easier. For it to work, you have to keep the key battery in good condition, because the system depends on a constant low-frequency signal between the key and the car. And when you get close, antennas around the vehicle detect that signal and trigger actions like unlocking or enabling ignition without any physical input from you. It's not just convenient, your car actually knows you're there and starts getting ready for the drive before you even touch it. Now think about this. If your car can recognize you before you touch it, it's also aware of what's happening inside, even after you walk away. Secret 5. Movement detection inside your Kia after you lock it. You park your car, lock it, and start walking away. But inside, there's still a bit of movement. It could be a child in the back seat who is moving. Maybe a pet moves around quietly. In most cars, you'd never know. But in your Kia, it's already noticed. Many modern Kias come with Rear Occupant Alert, ROA, and in advanced versions, it not only reminds you but also detects movement inside the cabin. Using sensors, the car can sense activity in the rear seats even after you've locked the vehicle. If something is detected, the system responds immediately. It triggers alerts on the dashboard. It can honk the horn to grab attention. And in connected models, it can even send a notification to your phone. This isn't just a reminder, it's an active safety feature that works in the background without you thinking about it. Higher variants use ultrasonic sensors to detect even slight movements inside the car, making the system far more accurate than basic alerts. But it's not just about your car sensing what's happening inside. It can also recognize you the moment you walk up to it and even respond before you touch a single button. If even one of these made you look at your Kia differently, hit subscribe, because the next few features most owners never use are the ones that completely change how you experience the car. And number 1? That's the feature almost no one knows exists, even though it's right there in your car. Secret 4. Your Kia can open the boot without you touching it. You walk up to your car with your hands full, bags pulling you down, phone slipping, keys somewhere deep in your pocket. You're already thinking about how you're going to manage opening the boot without dropping something. And just as you reach the back of the car and pause for a second, something unexpected happens. Before you even try, the car responds on its own. The moment you stand behind your car with the key in your pocket, it can detect your presence and automatically open the boot after a short pause. No buttons, no gestures, nothing extra to do. It feels especially useful in those everyday situations where your hands are full, and you just need things to work without effort. making simple tasks feel smoother and less frustrating. Just keep the feature enabled in your settings and your key with you, because the system uses proximity sensors along with the key signal to confirm you're standing at the rear of the vehicle. And after a short delay to avoid accidental triggers, it activates the powered tailgate motor to open smoothly, and you can always turn it off if you don't want it activating automatically in tight spaces. Because sometimes it's not about big flashy technology, it's about those small moments where your car understands exactly what you need and moves before you even have to think about it. And while it's making things easier on the outside, inside the car, it's already set up exactly the way you like it. Secret 3. Your Kia can remember your exact driving setup. You spend time getting everything just right. The seat perfectly adjusted, mirrors aligned exactly how you like, steering set to that comfortable position. Then someone else drives it, and suddenly nothing feels the same. And you go through the same routine again, trying to get back to that perfect setup. But what if your car could remember all of it, exactly the way you left it, down to the smallest detail? With just a single button, your car can bring back your exact seating position, mirror angles, and even steering setup in seconds, making it feel like nothing was ever changed. You can even set up different profiles for different drivers, so everyone gets their own personalized setup without wasting time adjusting everything again and again. Just save your preferred position properly, because the system uses small electric motors and position sensors inside the seat, mirrors, and steering column to store exact coordinates. And in some models, it can even link with your key, so when you unlock the car, it automatically starts adjusting everything back to your saved position before you even sit down. You don't have to fix anything when you get back. Everything's just the way you left it. But it doesn't stop at just remembering your position. Your car can actually transform the way it drives with a single change. Secret 2. Your drive modes change the whole car. Eco, Normal, Sport. 3 simple options, just a small button or dial. Most people press it once and forget about it, but that one switch actually changes how your whole car feels. Not just speed, but how it responds, how smooth it is, how it reacts to you. Switching it to Eco when you're in traffic makes the car feel calmer and more relaxed, which is perfect for saving fuel. Moving to Normal makes it feel balanced for everyday driving, and the moment you go into Sport, the car feels responsive, more alive, and makes the drive more engaging. Use the right mode for the situation, because the system works by sending different instructions to the engine control unit, transmission, and steering system, adjusting things like throttle sensitivity, shift points, and steering feedback in real time, so the car behaves differently without any physical changes. And some models even tweak air conditioning and power distribution slightly to match the selected mode. Because this isn't just a small setting change, it's like your car has multiple personalities, and with one simple switch, you get to decide which one to use on the road. But while you're changing how your car feels on the road, there's something else working in the background that you don't control at all. Secret 1. Your car has safety features working even when you don't notice. You're just driving like any other day. Nothing feels different or unusual. But what you don't see is how much your car is checking the surroundings around you. Every lane, every vehicle beside you, and all sudden movement ahead is being tracked without you even knowing it. Your car is constantly supporting you in ways you don't always notice, helping you stay in your lane, keeping an eye on vehicles around you, and stepping in during moments where you might lose your attention for just a second. And it adds that extra feel of confidence to your drive without interrupting you or making things feel complicated. Just keep these features turned on and the sensors clean, because the system uses cameras and radar to watch the road, track movement, and judge distances in real time. And if something doesn't look right, it can warn you or even step in slightly with steering or braking to help keep things safe. Because even when the drive feels completely normal, your car is already thinking ahead, reading the road, and preparing for things you haven't even noticed yet. Every feature on this list is already in your car, you just weren't using it. And the difference? It completely changes how your Kia feels to drive every day. Most people only use the basics, but modern Kias are built to do a lot more. And once you start using those features properly, the entire experience feels better. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which one surprised you the most? And if you enjoy discovering things your car can actually do, go ahead and subscribe. You might even like the next video on your screen. See you in the next one.